Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can collaborate with non-Zoho users in Zoho Project. This is crucial to make sure your project can move forward smoothly, even with external contributors. First off, you'll need to send an invite to the non-Zoho users. Log into your Zoho project, go to the Users and Permissions tab, and click on Invite Users. Input the email addresses of the collaborators you want to bring on board. This is important because it sets up a line of communication with your non-Zoho users. Now that we've done that, it's time to set the access level for your collaborators. After inputting their emails, select the Client option as the access level. The reason we do this is because it allows non-Zoho users to participate in your project without needing a Zoho account. They can view tasks, track progress, and even participate in discussions. Next, click the Invite button to send an email invitation to the collaborators. This helps us because it informs your collaborators about their access to the project. Once they've received the invite, non-Zoho users can click on the link in the email to access your project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. They will be directed to a page where they can set up a password. With this password, they can log into Zoho Project as a client and participate in your project. Finally, as the project owner, you can track their activities and contributions by going to the Users and Permissions tab and selecting the activity stream. This allows you to see what changes or additions they've made to the project. And there you have it. You've just learned how to collaborate with non-Zoho users in Zoho Project. Now you're all set to make your project more collaborative and inclusive, regardless of whether your team members use Zoho or not. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.